As I see you so, you see tonight. Now you have a body Where you from? Where you from? Philippines woman, Francis, beautiful lady. Why you too fine? I'm speaking Igbo and English to you. I'm broken. Now your husband, I've been a boyfriend. You say boyfriend? Jay! Lucky you I carry come, but as I see you so, you see tonight. Now you I go carry go. Are you ready?